How to reset camera setting to factory default in iOS 26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26. So if it latest, go back to home screen. Refresh phone and click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down, you will see third option is camera. So click on camera. Click on preserve settings. So turn off all button. Turn off all button. After turn off all buttons, go back to home screen. And again go to settings app. Now in settings, scroll down. So if you want to reset, click on general, scroll down to and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset all settings, enter phone passcode, click on reset all setting. It's just reset all setting, it's not remove and clean your phone memory and data. After restarting, refresh phone. So that's how you can reset camera setting to factory default in iOS 26. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.